Hi, today I will guide you through the process on how to add a new domain as an add-on website to your panel using PanelZilla. Hi, I'm Jessica, your panel guide. Adding a new domain as an add-on website to your PanelZilla account involves several steps. This tutorial will guide you through the process, ensuring you don't face any issue that might prevent the addition. Follow the steps below to successfully add your new domain. Step 1. Log into your PanelZilla account. Begin by logging into your PanelZilla account using your credentials. Step 2. Check hosting add-on limit and database limit. Before adding a new domain, it's crucial to ensure you haven't reached your hosting add-on limit or database limit. If you have reached either limit, you will not be able to add a new website. Check hosting add-on limit. Navigate to the account details or settings page. Look for the section that displays your add-on domains limit. Ensure you have not reached the maximum number of add-on domains allowed. Check database limit. Go to the database management section of your panel. Verify that you have available databases. If your database limit is reached, you won't be able to add a new website. Step 3. Add your domain. Once you've confirmed that you have available slots for an add-on domain and database, you can proceed to add your domain. Search and add domain. In your panel, search for the add-on domain section. Enter the domain name you wish to add, for example, domainname.com. Set document root. When adding the domain, make sure to change the document root from the default public_HTML to a folder named after your domain. For example, set the document root to domainname.com. Step 4. Create directory for the domain. After adding the domain, you need to create a directory in the file manager that matches the domain name. Go to File Manager. Open the File Manager in your panel. Create directory. Create a new directory named after your domain, domainname.com. Ensure that this directory name matches both the domain name and the document root you set earlier. Step 5. Install your website. With the domain and directory set up, you can now proceed to install your website. Install PHP script, WordPress, or other CMS. Upload your PHP script, WordPress installation, or any other website files to the directory domainname.com. Follow the installation instructions specific to your website's CMS or script. Step 6. Install SSL Certificate. To secure your new add-on domain, don't forget to install an SSL Certificate. Watch tutorial. Refer to the PanelZilla tutorial on how to install SSL certificates. Additional support. If you face any issues during the process, you can contact PanelZilla support at support@panelzilla.com. Thank you.